Joyce, Greg, late this afternoon, King County Public Health, Seattle and King County actually tweeted out that they believe that when you talk about mask mandates, that vaccination rates and the number of COVID cases should come into play. So with more changes on the way, this could create more confusion.
Downtown Park in Bellevue, a popular spot for taking a walk, either with a mask or without.
Spin. Good job.
Luke Grant is fully vaccinated.
I feel very safe.
Today, he and Rachel are enjoying a maskless walk.
But I got the vaccine already, so I'm not really sure. Are they still making me want to wear it?
He's still not clear on when he should be wearing a mask.
It can be confusing a lot of times because, like, I go into a restaurant, I'm not exactly sure, am I supposed to wear a mask or am I not supposed to wear a mask?
There's no easy way to know who is or is not vaccinated in public spaces. And so we really need to assume going forward that there will be vaccinated and unvaccinated people without masks in indoor settings.
Dr. Jeffrey Duchin is with Public Health Seattle in King County. He says you don't have to ditch your mask.
It's perfectly fine for vaccinated people to continue to wear a mask at any time, based on their personal choice, individual risk, level of COVID in the community, and their comfort level. And particularly reasonable for vaccinated people with weakened immune systems.
Even though the CDC says you don't have to wear a mask, Dr. Duchin says you probably should.
I'm strongly encouraging all King County residents, not just the unvaccinated, to continue wearing masks indoors in public spaces where there are unvaccinated people, and also strongly recommending our King County businesses continue masking policies that ensure all customers and staff wear face masks.
Meantime, Grant says he understands the current guidance from health leaders.
I think it's already clear. It's just that there's a lot of those changes that can be a little confusing.
Again, more changes could be on the way from Public Health, Seattle and King County. If those changes are made to that mask wearing guidance, that could come down later this week, and we will keep you up to date. For now, we are live in Bellevue. Steve Solis, King 5 News.